What is going on, my people? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your mobile phone as a webcam for your computer. I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it is true. This method will work for Android and iOS. Today I'm going to be demonstrating it on my iPhone 7. So without further ado, let's head to the computer. Right guys, so first things first, on the computer head to this website over here, links in the description. Over here you can download the drivers for Windows and the drivers for macOS. As you can see, these people look very trustworthy, so I don't think there are any viruses in here. So let's download. Okay, once it's downloaded, open it, run the exe file. Okay, it's going to ask you for administrator permissions. Just click yes. Then, like you would any other application, just keep clicking next. Choose where you want to save it, install it, and then you can either restart now or restart later. I don't need to restart because I have already installed this program, but if this is the first time you are installing it, then I recommend you restart your computer. In fact, I think you have to restart your computer. In the meantime, while your computer is restarting, let's head to the phone and download the appropriate app on the phone side of things. Right guys, as you can see, I'm on the App Store. The same thing will apply if you're on an Android device. Literally just search for Epoch Cam. As you can see, there are two different versions, a free version and a paid version. I personally recommend the paid version as that version has no watermark and supports HD video, but the free version may be enough for you, in which case get that version. Right guys, so once you've installed the drivers on the computer, restarted your computer and installed the Epoch Cam app on your phone, everything should be ready to go. Make sure your phone is either connected on the same Wi-Fi network as your computer, or you have it connected via USB. To test if it's working, open up the Epoch Cam viewer on your computer. As you can see, it's trying to detect your phone, so open up the app on the phone. Free version or paid version, they both work the exact same way. As you can see, my phone's trying to detect my computer, and as you can see, we are live. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what sort of videos you want to see me do. One more thing, please subscribe to my boy DJJ Gamer, up and coming YouTuber. He's pretty good as well, so please subscribe to him. But that's pretty much it guys. Hope you have a good night, good day, and I'll see you in the next one.